Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to turn on ghost mode on Snapchat. So what is ghost mode? It's a handy feature that allows you to completely hide your location on Snapchat. When it's turned on, no one, not even your friends, can see where you are. It's perfect if you're looking for some extra privacy. Let's get started. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone. Once it's open, tap on your profile picture or the little ghost icon in the top left corner. This will take you to your profile page. Next, tap on the gear icon in the top right corner to open your settings. Once you're in the settings menu, scroll down until you see the option labeled See My Location and tap on it. At the top of the location settings, you'll notice an option for ghost mode. This is what we're looking for. To turn it on, just toggle the switch. When you enable ghost mode, Snapchat will ask how long you'd like to keep it on. You can choose to have it on for 3 hours, 24 hours, or until turned off. If you're looking for ongoing privacy, select the Until Turned Off option. And there you have it. Your location is now completely hidden on Snapchat. If this video helped you out, I'd really appreciate it if you gave it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials and tap the bell icon to get notified whenever I post new content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.